In this video we will talk about different detox cleansing regimes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Your body should clean itself naturally, but today's diets make that process difficult. Many turn to internal body cleansing to rid the body of waste products and toxins. A detoxification treatment is designed to help the body eliminate stored toxins and strengthen the organs involved in this process. Colon cleansing helps clean the organ that assists the body in the elimination of waste. A dirty colon can lead to a buildup of toxins in the body and illness. By using herbal treatments or irrigation therapy, a colon cleansing eliminates the toxins and helps the intestinal tract work properly. It is essential to do this cleanse first so that the waste produced by other detoxification procedures can be eliminated efficiently. Your kidneys clean about 200 pints of blood daily. A kidney cleanse will help your kidneys function more efficiently. It usually involves consuming a very large amount of water or juice and then eliminating it all to flush the kidneys out. Your liver completes about 24 processes for the body daily, and cleansing this important organ helps the liver to assist the immune system and support the body's digestive functions. There are several supplements and liver flush programs available. Cleansing the lungs is also important for good health. American diets high in dairy products often result in fatty lung tissue. Cleansing the lungs eases this problem. Finally, a skin cleansing releases the toxins lodged in the fatty layers just underneath the skin. Most are performed with herbs, saunas and sweat lodges. Cleansing your body from toxins is a great way to keep your systems clean and running smoothly. The results are worth it. Improved immune system, clearer skin complexion, better sleep, curing of acne, constipation, disappearance of unpleasant body odor, just to name a few. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.